Well, oh my Lanta, you are my woman, Ethereum, because gosh darn it, look at that jazz go. We broke out through the $320 range, and now we're nearing $340. We are up 5% on the day. And while Bitcoin languishes a little bit in the $11,000 range, nobody can complain. The start of the bull market seems to be well underway, as multiple coins are developing a strong fortuitous future as the ranges tend to tighten, but in an upward motion. So far in 2020, Ethereum-based assets have produced the largest percentage gains of any other blockchain-backed cryptocurrencies. Fortunately, though, we are only just passing the first half of the year, and we have 6 more months of lovely cryptocurrency gains to go. The Ethereum miners have seen a 6% daily increase in revenue in the last recent months, and unfortunately, the price has not gotten up to that level yet. Now, this would seem to be a large discrepancy, and it inherently does make the Ethereum blockchain less secure, but those that are involved with consensus are not worried. The DeFi movement has been going strong, and while not everything runs on the Ethereum blockchain, it has produced more security and decentralization throughout the Ethereum protocol. Assets like Yearn Finance, ETHLend, and Compound are all enjoying strong momentum upward through the DeFi movement. While prominent people within the Ethereum community itself, like Vitalik Buterin on a recent podcast, expressed fears of compromised protocols, it is obvious that the DeFi movement is strong, legitimate, and well underway. Cardano has recently performed a hard fork with the Shelley protocol, which is now in full effect. Shelley aims to provide a fully decentralized blockchain as it involves staking within the Cardano blockchain itself. The amount of stake pools that had arisen within the first few hours of Shelley becoming active was absolutely flabbergasting and a big win for the community itself. Following Shelley will be the Goguen protocol, which will not be a hard fork itself, as there will be no more blockchain interruptions past this point. It will be a simple upgrade to the Shelley protocol once decentralization is achieved. When the level of decentralization is acceptable, IOHK will implement the Goguen protocol, and that will allow fully decentralized applications to be developed upon the Cardano blockchain itself. This is a major win for Cardano users and investors, as it has taken many years of research and development in order to get to this point. Those who have doubted Charles Hodgkinson and the IOHK family were fervently denying the fact that Shelley would ever be released. Now that we have gotten to the point of Shelley release and onto the development of Goguen, it is obvious that those naysayers are crying. Just like the Tesla haters in the traditional equity market, Cardano has always come with fervent deniers of technology and research. Hubris and ignorance is rampant throughout the cryptocurrency industry, but it would appear that science always prevails, given long enough. Chainlink has also broken out of consolidation, as it has pumped up 5%, even following the Zeus Capital FUD that has been spreading rampantly throughout the past few weeks. Zeus Capital has been offering to pay local cryptocurrency influencers large sums of Bitcoin in order to post negative charts and analysis of the Link blockchain and the chart itself. As we are beginning this next run up to the $100,000 range for Bitcoin, we still have many hurdles to go, as cryptocurrency exchanges and on-ramps were in distress a couple of days ago whenever the coins started to pump past the $10,000 range. There are still many cryptocurrency scams on the YouTube platform, as scammers use celebrity likeness to pull cryptocurrency from various victims. It would appear that Google and YouTube do not have this under control, as Steve Wozniak recently has gone on Bloomberg to complain about them using his likeness in multiple cryptocurrency scams. Those like Chamath Palihapitiya or Elon Musk have also been victim to this. And even though Twitter had seemingly fixed this after its rampant use of cryptocurrency scams in 2018 and early 2019, the scammers themselves have seemed to just move to YouTube instead, as live broadcasts of various talks of these famous people are being used to draw in donations and stealing money from the multicultural diverse system that is the YouTube network. Lastly, Chairman Powell has finally confirmed that he will not be stopping any fiscal stimulus until the end of 2020. So it would appear the US dollar is going to be more and more diluted. Now, these are not near-term problems as we are in a pandemic, but it does show a rocky future for fiat currencies as government agencies and central banks around the world have not shown any decrease in the willingness to print money. This is inherently good for commodities and scarce assets such as gold, silver, precious metals in general, and cryptocurrencies themselves. Fortunately, the Bitcoin space has been preparing themselves for this moment, and hopefully when the retail and institutional barrage comes, we will be ready. Until then, guys, this is Share the Wealth, and my name is Kieran Schindler. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. And if not, I hope to see you around and win you over in the next one. Take care and goodbye.